I am going to do ultra matte medium with paint here and clear gesso here with paint and see which comes out more matte. The ultimate test. This is about 50-50 ultra matte medium and yellow green Nova color paint. And once it dries, we'll know which one is more matte. All right, I like to do a lot of paint. And I like leaving marks in the paint. Personally, love it. Give me some marks in there. Okay, I made way too much. It's fine. I'm going to use a totally different brush. This is clear gesso. 50%, pretty much 50-50, maybe 60-40. Clear gesso and yellow green Nova color paint. I always stir with the brush handles. I don't know why. It's just how I do it. All right, now I'm going to put this here. Clear gesso with the paint. Wow, I made way too much, but that's kind of how I roll. I always make way too much. There, that looks cool. Let me dry it. All right, it's still drying. It's still drying. So something I'm noticing already is that the painting that I was painting over was already varnished. It's thrift store art. So the shine from that varnish, I can kind of see through the clear gesso. So this one, it's not all the way dry yet, but I'm already seeing that the clear gesso looks slightly shinier than the ultra matte medium by Liquitex. The ultimate battle continues. Let's let them dry. Okay, so things dried and I'm coming down here for an inspection. I left the paint thick here so that I could see what would happen if we did leave it thick. And I would say that if I had to choose which one is more matte, I would say the ultra matte medium from Liquitex mixed with paint, the same kind of paint, is more matte than clear gesso mixed with the same kind of paint. See how the peaks have a tiny little shine left on them? Well, if you're up here in the ultra matte medium, that shine is gone. I mean, there's a tiny bit there, but it's different. You see that? In my opinion, the ultra matte medium wins hands down compared to the clear gesso. Even though it's slight, if you're looking for the ultimate, the most matte that you can possibly get from the Liquitex mediums, I would get the ultra matte medium and mess around with it, okay? Because the clear gesso is pretty bad too, but it's not as matte as the ultra matte medium is. Sorry about my hair. Thank you for subscribing and commenting about my hair. What I found here is that I think ultra matte medium is way more matte than clear gesso. I did a comparison here on the wings, and I'm telling you, after they fully dried, ultra matte medium is more matte than clear gesso, although I could see a reason for using either one of them interchangeably. But this is your winner for the most matte of all the Liquitex mediums that I can find. Yeah! Please subscribe and say hi in the comments.